Hi, this is Dennis from Premier Magnetics. Since 1991, we've provided our customers with innovative and reliable electromagnetic component solutions that power the success of their products, their projects, and their companies. Our parts are trusted across a wide range of end-use applications, from aerospace and medical to energy, lighting, pro audio video, industrial, automotive, and even defense. If you happen to find yourself in the Southern California area next week, please consider stopping by the Anaheim Electronics and Manufacturing Show. It's going to be taking place on Wednesday and Thursday. That's September 27th and 28th at the Anaheim Convention Center. We're exhibiting at the event, which showcases products from the electronics, aerospace, medical, semiconductor, and biotech industries, among others. There's also opportunities for educational seminars on a wide range of topics, from emerging technologies, 3D printing, power management solutions, GaN, mastering AI, injection molding, component selection, and much, much more. Please stop by and see our team at booth 316. We'd love to discuss your next power supply magnetics requirements, learn about any problems you're dealing with currently on components. Feel free to talk to our engineering staff who will be there at the event, or just come by to pick up one of our complimentary EMI filter engineering kits for your R&D team. Don't forget to ask our team for a complimentary drink ticket for the post-show networking event. We look forward to seeing you there.